Are you thinking it's cuddle time? It is. You are thinking that, aren't you? Look at you. What a silly boy. Merlin, my Merlin. Sweetheart. Come here. Yeah. Come here, gorgeous. Come here, Mr. Gorgeous. I'd love to pin those feathers under your chin. Yes, I would. That's not happening immediately, though. Come here. Where's my cutie pie? Can I play with your toesies? I'm going to play with your toes. I'm playing with your toes. Oh, who did that? Who touched my toes? Hello? 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 How cute are you? Hello? Hello? Who loves? Hello! You're so smart. Hello! You're so smart. You're such a smarty pants, and I love you. You want some cuddles? Come here for cuddles. Cuddle time. Little Merlin cuddle time. Come here. Oh, Mr. Cutie Pie, come here. Come here. Where's my pretty bird? Where's my beautiful baby bird? Where's my Merlin? Oh, yeah. No, you don't. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay, handsome. It's all right. You're going to calm down at my house. Nobody's ever going to hurt you. You're going to have quiet. You're going to have toys. Yeah, baby. Yes, sweetheart. I love you so. You know I do, huh? Who loves you, Merlin? Come here. So jumpy lately. Last few months, huh? You my pretty bird. You're my beautiful baby. Look at you. Look at that Merlin and his cute little black tongue. Who's got a cute little black tongue? Come here and I'll help you with that. Come here. You've got lots of cleaning to do, huh? They itch. They itch. Good job, Merlin, my Merlin. Good job. Come here and I'll help. Come here and I'll help my little boo-boo. My little baby bird. Who loves you? Who loves that pretty bird? Little Merlin. Come here. Oh, you poor little baby. But you have to let me help you. Happy to help you out with that. My little pretty bird. My pretty bird. My beautiful baby. Little boy. You gotta lean over a little better for me. Lean over. Lean over and I'll help you. Mr. Pretty Bird. Mr. Beautiful. Oh no, you've got itches. Poor baby.